This is a quick video for my BT50 3-inch exhaust install from Playtime Auto Parts. The exhaust came in pretty good condition. It's got a tapped hole at the top for the EGT sensor. They give you everything you need, all the gaskets and nuts and bolts you're going to need to put it in. You're going to want to remove the driver's front wheel as well as the rubber shielding inside the wheel arch. I found this was the only way to get access to the back of the turbo. There's two screws underneath the turbo that you're going to need to take off, obviously. Once you've got this removed, you can quite clearly see the back of the turbo and all the bolts that you've got to take off. There are 3 bolts that hold the exhaust onto the back of the turbo. This is the view from underneath the car. You can see there's 2 bolts that need to be removed, but there's no access to the back of the turbo from under the car. I decided to remove the heat shield from the turbo as well to give more access to the bolt on the top. You can see I took this video after I'd installed it. This is just a view of the parts before installing them. You can see the welds are all pretty good. There's no welds on the inside of any of the flanges. The rest of the install is pretty simple. It doesn't use all of the exhaust mounts, probably because there's not as many parts. Everything just bolts together. One thing to note though, the exhaust right at the end does hang down very low and it would impact your departure angles, so I decided to cut this off a bit later. And that's it. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.